Hello friends, let us use smart fill and smart drawing tool. Now let us start with smart fill. Suppose here we create some object, simply draw the shape, and with the help of shape tool you can move any node of this shape like this. Okay, but if you try to fill the color, then here some shapes or some part of this drawing is remain unfilled. Then how to fill color with this part? For that purpose you can use smart fill. Now let us create once again. Drop us polygon. Here we can use increase the number of edges. With the help of shape tool, simply move the curve, okay, and fill with any color. Okay. Now how to fill remaining spaces? For that purpose, use smart fill. With the help of smart fill, you can choose color from this palette. Like this, you can fill the color. You have to put your cursor inside the shape. Okay, like this you can fill the color. While filling the color, here are some settings. If you want no outline while filling the color, then there is no outline. Suppose here I use no outline and fill here the color. Now let us see. This object is separate and color fill is separate, therefore you can easily move this object. Now here is no outline. Okay. Other options are, if you want to use outline use. If you want to use default, then you can use default. Okay, or you can also specify the shape. Okay, use default. By default there is outline. Okay, like this you can use the smart fill tool to fill the remaining spaces. Okay, now how to use smart drawing tool. Smart drawing tool is used to draw the smooth curves or draw the basic shapes. Suppose I want to draw the triangle, give the enter. This triangle is formed. If I want to draw the circle, simply press the enter or double click. I want to draw the square, enter. But yeah, it will use to only draw the basic shapes. If you draw like this something, then it will remain the same. You can easily draw the smooth curves line like this. With the help of shape tool, you can also resize these curves. Okay, like this smart drawing and smart fill tool is used. It is very interesting tool. Okay, you can also form the new object with the help of smart fill tool. Okay, thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue next lecture.